Hey guys, today we are unboxing a DJI Osmo Mobile SE. It's a smartphone stabilizer, and I always wanted one, but I never bought one until today. So we're gonna unpack this and see what's in here. You can see some pictures on the box that shows you how you can use it. And here's some additional information. So there's some information on the box, like the 3-axis stabilization, and I heard that this is a must when you're looking for a stabilizer. It also has a magnetic design. I'll show you guys when I unpack it, and it's quick and easy. You can use it for the iPhone and for other phones. So let's open that up. So this is what it looks like, and it has a little protection security lip you have to pull off in order to open it. So we're just gonna do that. So you open it. This is what the inside looks like. You can download an app. This is the magnetic attachment that you can put on your phone, and it will use a magnet to lock onto the stabilizer. So let's see what's in here. We have a little box with the pouch. So it does come with a pouch, but it's not a hard case, it's a soft pouch. You can put your stabilizer in, and it says Osmo. It feels nice. It's thin, but it feels quality. So we have that, and then we have, I don't know what this is. If required, use the anti-slip pads to secure the phone in the phone holder. I think you can use this on the magnetic attachment if your phone slips off. And then we have some manuals, stuff like that. They give you a sticker. So that's that. And then we have this, and this is the magnetic attachment I was talking about. This is where you put your phone in, and it does stretch to like so it can fit a bigger iPhone as well. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, for example, it shows you exactly how to attach this to your phone. It comes with a extender. Pretty nice. It feels nice. And it comes with, obviously, the stabilizer itself. So this is it. Here is the charging port, and the other attachment you can put underneath here. So yeah, you can hold it, it opens like that, and you just attach this clip onto here. And it's a pretty strong magnetic attachment, so I think that's a good thing, so your phone doesn't just like fall off. And yeah, you can, it's pretty compact too when you flip it down. So you can keep it somewhere until you're gonna use it. And you can even leave this clip on your phone if you don't wanna put it back on again. So this can stand like that, and you can use the stabilizer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Comes off easy. Let's see how this fits in the pouch. Fits perfectly. It is pretty heavy, heavier than I thought, I guess, but obviously it has a lot of functionalities, buttons. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So that's when you turn it on, and then obviously there's no phone in there. It has some buttons. You can use this little button to change the directions, and yeah, so that's it. That's the unpacking video for today. Pretty cool. And obviously it comes with a charging cable. It's USB to USB-C. Everything is USB-C nowadays, which is great. So yeah, that's it.